Hey, listen, I'm thinking about a topic that matters to each and every one of us. It's your example. Now, why am I thinking about the example that you make every day? I'm thinking about it because today we have too many people in too many places who are talking. We love to talk about how great we are, how much we need to be authentic and vulnerable and live up to all kinds of ideals. Talk. Here's what I want to remind you of today. Your example is what truly matters. What you profess may or may not be reflected in what people see, but man, do they see a lot when they just watch you every day. Walk around, interact with people, talk, react to others. They learn vicariously just by watching you. Here's the question. What is it that they are seeing? All right, here's the rub. They see things that you're not aware of. People always see you differently than you see yourself or differently than you think they see you. Now, I'm not saying you're supposed to be excited by that. You're certainly not supposed to be scared of that fact, but it's true. So the question is, what do you do? Well, if you believe in your example and you want to get past just professing things you think you're supposed to say, here's what you do. You have to go find and empower, that's a big part of it, someone who's going to give you candid feedback, real straight talk, unfiltered, honest comments about who you are in their eyes based on what they see and think and feel. Now, this might hurt just a little bit. That's okay. I've done it. I know. It's okay, because what you want to do is recognize there's always a gap between what you think about yourself and what others see. And if you care about your example, which is always your strongest teaching tool, then you want to take that gap and make it as small as possible. So go find one or two people, preferably someone, it doesn't matter if they're below you, your level, or above, depending on who it is, it could be the right person. You want someone who knows who you are. You don't have to be best friends, but they know who you are. They have a great appreciation for your work, for better or for worse, and what that's all about. And they have some level of comfort such that they can speak when empowered to you honestly. A little unfiltered, raw, candid feedback. You go find them. You tell them how much you respect them and appreciate their views, how much you understand that we all have perceptual blocks that make it difficult to know how we're being viewed. And then you give them some privacy and you give the ask. You tell them, I'd love to know what you think. For example, maybe you give them a specific thing to react to. That makes it easier. Hey, at yesterday's client meeting, I stood up, I gave the presentation. Don't really think deeply, just react. What did you see? How can I do that even better? And just let them go. And here's what you do. You just stop and listen. One of the most beautiful keys to great feedback isn't about asking great questions. Oh, it always starts with great questions. But the real key is to then be quiet and let the information from your feedback partner flow. That's the real key. So if you want to get past what you think others are thinking and get serious about how you help, how you teach other people, well, it is about your example, and you won't ever fully understand it until you let someone tell you what they see. Go find them. Good luck.